If you make one video like this, you could earn $1,000 per month. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. This is a new method that I found using a combination of AI tools and affiliate marketing. And best of all, you don't need any experience or any money to get started. So let's jump right into it. Step no. 1 is to go to a website called Videogen. This is an AI video generator that lets you create videos in any niche in just a few clicks. And with the way that AI has been trending recently, this tool is going to be extremely valuable. To get started, simply enter in your email address and then click Get Access Now. Once you're inside the dashboard, go ahead and click on Create Video. On the left side, you can select between different templates. They have everything from product reviews to tutorials and more. But for this video, we're going to use the top 10 list template. Next, we need to enter in our prompt. For example, I could type in best beaches in Hawaii. Then we can choose the aspect ratio for our video. You want to select 16:9. And lastly, you can choose between having a male or female voice. Click Generate Video, and now the AI will create a video based on that topic. Now keep in mind that when you first start out, your videos probably won't be very good. The AI is still pretty new, so if you stick around until the end of this video, I'll share with you a secret trick that will allow you to create much better videos. Step no. 2 is to create an account on an affiliate marketplace. This platform allows you to promote products from major companies such as Amazon, Walmart, Target, and more. And once you sign up, simply click on Product at the top of the page. You can search through thousands of products in any niche, type in AI tools, and then click Generate. This will give you a list of affiliate offers that you can promote. And if you scroll down, you can see how much money you'll make per sale. And keep in mind these are evergreen offers, meaning they will always be in demand. If you click on any offer, you can see a button that says Get Link. When you click that, it will generate a unique link that tracks your traffic. Step no. 3 is where things start to get interesting. Go back to the video template and for the prompt, type in something like 5 reasons why you should use an AI writing assistant. As you can see, the video starts out as just a blank slate, but after a few seconds, the AI will generate the entire video. The entire process takes less than 5 minutes, and this is how you would typically do it for each video. However, if you want to take your videos to the next level, there is a trick that you can use. Inside Videogen, click on the settings icon and turn on custom image. What this does is instead of having a generic background, it will allow you to upload your own image, which will make your videos look a lot more professional. Lastly, go to your affiliate dashboard and grab your affiliate link. You can either copy and paste it or use the post link feature. And now you're ready to publish your first video. Head over to a video sharing platform and click on Create. Your video will automatically be uploaded, and now you just need to add a title, a description, and tags. Make sure you use keywords that people are actually searching for. And the final step is to publish the video. You'll notice that the video starts out unlisted, meaning only you can see it. You want to change that to public so that it gets indexed by the search engines. And now whenever someone watches that video and clicks on your affiliate link, you'll earn a commission. As you can see, this method is extremely simple and anyone can do it. It might take you a few days to learn how to make good videos, but once you figure it out, you'll be able to make thousands of dollars per month. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.